Hey there everyone, welcome back. In this quick video, I will show you how to view downloaded videos on YouTube in PC. So let's get started. First of all, let's just open up any of the browser, like I'm going to the Microsoft Edge, and you can also use the Google Chrome, Opera GX and any other application. The process is same. Let's just suppose that we want to download this video right over here. So we will go to that video. And from here you will see download option right over here. So it's very simple. You need to tap on this download button and it will start downloading. So if you guys have the premium version of the YouTube, then you can download the video as 1080p or 720p, which is high resolution. So let's just view the downloaded video from here. If you want to change the settings of the download, like you want to change the resolution, you can do from here, like download settings, tap on that. And now as you can see, I have different quality options like the full HD 1080p and anything like that. As I have the premium version of the YouTube, then I can easily select the full HD 1080p. Rather than that, you need to simply just, it will download as the 480p. So you need the premium version to download the 1080p as well. How we can view it offline? First of all, for that reason, let's just disable my internet right now. All right, as you can see, no internet access. So I will again go to my YouTube. Like you need to suggest go to the youtube.com and it will show the downloaded video for you. So that's how you can easily view downloaded videos on YouTube in your PC or laptop. So thank you so much guys for watching. Have a great day.